Ronaldo. I got my foam runners. I got my Monkey D. Luffy hat. Yo, Speed. Speed, sell my hat. Come on.
Not right now, hold on.
Hey, wait. Sorry. Yo, Speed, sell my hat.
On your mark, get set, go.
Good.
You good?
Yeah. You good?
That was a good race.
Adios, adios. No. Adios, adios. No. Adios, adios.
Good race, Jamal.
Something about
you,
Chicago,
man.
we keep deals.
No, but you keep it. That's all you.
I'm proud of you, Jamal. I'm proud of you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Come on, bro. W sportsmanship, man.
Can we get a string kick?
Yeah, string pick, man. W sportsmanship right there. Good shit, bro. Hey, you did that, bro. You locked in, bro. You not playing. Hey, look, anybody who's trying to race you,
There's
you just like me now, bro. Wait, my water back there, bro.
Wait, hold.
Oh, they got my water back there. My water.
You go to the car, bro.
Wait, Jamal, wait, bro. Yo, relax, bro. Come on. Guys, keep this clear. Keep this clear. Guys, keep it clear. Keep it clear. Hey, let him go ahead. You go ahead. Have a security bring him ahead. You should just go ahead.
Don't get in the way.
I can keep up.
Hey, off the table.
Off the tape. Off the deck. Bro, get up, bro. Get your ass up, bro. Come on, stop climbing on tables, bro. Oh, tripping.
Keep it clear.
Damn, bro.
Keep it clear. Hey, yo, W speed. Keep it clear. Keep it clear, guys.
What the fuck, bro? I gotta chill.
Hey, space. Back up.
Stand by there, bro.
Thank you, G.
Hey, can we say we love Batman?
Batman?
Yeah, Batman.
I love Batman.
Hey, I can cook too. So Sanji,
What's up, Jamal? Yeah, you need water?
That W again.
Watch out, what you want? This guy wasting on Messi.
Straight big.
Don't walk in my way.
Bro, we going upstairs? Straight big.
Nah, we ain't got time, bro. We need to get stuff on top.
Hold the phone.
Wait.
Where's your ball? Get the ball up, fuck, bro.
To get half ill, Coach Green.
What?
I love you.
You love me.
I love you, gang. Can I get a hug? Ish, take him to the car.
Get up.
Take them all to the car.
It's my birthday.
Get in. Get in, Jamal. Jamal, can I see your phone?
I love you.
Hey,
Speed just look
Thank you, bro.
what made you breathe?
Speed. Yo.
What made you?
We took it.
So I just got back from meeting Ishowspeed in Chicago. When I woke up this morning, I saw that he was already live, and I knew that he would be in Chicago today because he was in Detroit yesterday. And he was at the Bean, and I wasn't even sure if I was gonna catch him. I was like, oh, is it even worth going out into the city? What if he goes somewhere else? And I left the house, and I was only at 60% battery on my phone, so that was another problem. And for the entire CTA ride, I was just like tuning into his stream. He was at the Sears Tower, and I was planning on going there, but then he went somewhere else, and I was like, oh shoot, now where am I going? And And then he ended up going to the Riverwalk. That is where I met him. And hey, if there's ever a moment in life where you're like, oh, I'm not sure if it's gonna work out, what if it, like, something happens, just go for it anyway. I was worried that I wasn't gonna meet Speed, but hey, even if I didn't meet Speed, I was just honored to be in the city with him at the same time, let alone stand right next to him, which you saw in the video, and appear in his live stream. I couldn't get him to sign the Luffy hat, but that was fine. It was enough for me. After he left, I actually went back to one of the shops that he stopped at, and I was talking to the cashier lady, and I was like, did you see the celebrity that came in? She's like, yeah, I was just working, and all of a sudden there was a huge crowd out of nowhere. Who was it? And I told her, I was like, that was Ishowspeed, and I explained to her what he does, and she's like, wow, yeah, he had security and everything. I had no idea that this was gonna happen. And I asked the lady, I was like, do you guys have a social media? Because if I were you, I would go to his live stream and kind of screen record the part where he stopped by your shop and post it online, being like, hey, Ishowspeed came to our shop, because it could bring some good business to you guys. And she seemed like very intrigued by that, and she's like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll totally do that. By the way, if you found this video because you're a Speed fan, my name is Jason, and I upload travel content. I do vlogs as well as daily shorts about travel. Speed does a lot of traveling, as you know, so if you like his content, you might like mine as well. Okay, that's it. Bye.